cap, bro. I ain't even gonna cap, bro. I got the best shit in the fucking parking lot at McDonald's right now. Bro, welcome back to another goddamn video from, last video was from ATM, bro. Damn. Damn. What, 2 weeks? Damn. Update. My wheel lights burnt on my way to ATI. Fellas don't know how. Fuck, I don't even know how either.
Oh, what the hell happened?
Huh? But they're gonna send me a brand new pair, and we're gonna be putting them on whenever I show you guys. But right now we're on our way to Nando's house. I'm gonna be basically showing y'all what the hell he got going on. Bro, the cons of being low, bro. Literally, bro, the cons of being low, bro, is that you hit everywhere. Like, bro, we hitting everywhere, dog. Like, fucking holes, bro. And then this dude lives in el pinche cerro, the fucking road. But y'all know that one clip where fucking Mater, you know, dropped his first time on the damn road. That is literally where Fernando lives, bro. No cap. No cap, bro. Like, bro, fix your damn road. Bro, if y'all don't eat chicken nuggets with fucking buffalo sauce, bro, or yogurt or weenies, bro, y'all ain't doing it right. That shit smack. But anyway, today's video is gonna be about where's some basic shit you can do to your truck without, you know what I'm saying, balling out. Cause I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it took me about a couple months to build my shit, but to rebuild it es otra cosa. But I'm talking about, like, para los que van empezando and they got your first truck, you know what I'm saying, what the fuck should I do? This is gonna be mainly about the exterior and whatnot.
What are you looking for?
Fernando, bro, you seen him?
No.
Where's Fernando? Now we're gone. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can spend $1,000 on the truck mods. You know, if you don't have a truck yet, then I suggest you get one. So your goddamn G35, they're not good. First of all, bro, this is Fernando's truck. You see his shit, okay? He's got over $200 invested into it. Now, most of y'all like to go for a drop, okay? What drop would you be if you asked me? You want to take a tire, bro? You want to take a tire? And if you come over here, you're gonna see a flip kit. You're gonna see some blocks, and you're also gonna see a C-notch. But the C-notch, that doesn't fall into the budget. So you can get the flip kit and the blocks. Literally not even $100. Okay, now you can add drop shackles. You can't see them, but they're there. 2-inch drop shackles. This will put you at about 12 in the back. you'll need a notch. Okay, moving forward. Now, forward, bro. I can't see, so. This right here is a 5-inch drop. Okay.
About the same height as you?
This is a 5-inch drop.
About the same height as you?
No, it's not. I'm 6'5", okay?
Half the size of you.
Yeah, okay.
There you go, there you go.
So basically what this guy is springs, 3-inch springs, 2-inch spindles, okay? Okay? Okay, alright. Now, well basically that'll sit you at, and if you're riding 22s, bro, you'll be pretty low. Now, if you can't see and you dumbass, you can't drive, this was what's gonna happen right here. Right here. What happened there, dude? What happened, dude?
I don't know. Saw a fat bitch and
Alright.
had to stop.
It'd be the fucking fat hoe talking the most. Now, if you don't know how to put a bumper on, say for example you're doing HD conversion, you right? This is what you're gonna need to look out for, bro. This gap. This is a very common gap known on in NBS's. And if you buy clears, bro, you're gonna have another gap right here. This gap right here don't work with the shit. Okay? Now, but you can get these headlights on Amazon for about 80 bucks. Okay. Now, these are 22s inch wrapped in 255, 35, 24.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fake ass Texas edition, so. Now, if you really want to ball out, I don't know, bro. Hurry up. He's white. He's looking at my truck, bro. Go fuck him up. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, bro. And I don't know who the fuck that was. That was Fernando's fucking brother. Okay. But back to what we were saying. I'm saying, if you haven't had a scraping the streets decal, I don't know what you're doing, bro. Why haven't they bought one yet, bro?
We ran out.
Oh yeah.
We sold out.
But I'm coming out with a new design by the end of this week. So.
Don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Don't say that.
What's today?
By the end of this week, it's gonna be next year.
Alright, June 1st, bro. They're gonna be restocked, okay? But not the whole windshield though. It's gonna be like one of these, like that CXT one.
Oh.
Okay. It's gonna be like one of those, so y'all can put it in the corner. Y'all can put it wherever the hell y'all want to put it, up your ass. I really don't care. If you're like an OG, bro, you will remember this logo. If you're an OG, only OGs remember this, okay?
Follow me on Instagram.
No, don't follow him. All right. But basically, what I was trying to say today is, I'm selling my truck. All right, we're waiting on Diego right now. Diego, we're literally gonna butt fuck him.
Oh.
Hard. I only need one more sticker, bro. I only need one more sticker, and we are through with this side. Next year we're gonna fill up the next sticker. But let me show you what I'm gonna do.
In the middle of the road.
In the middle of the road. Obviously, I own this ring. I own this. Alright, so basically, I got the 24s, bro. Y'all wanna see I'm at 18.
Scammed. Scammed.
They're brushed, bro. How did I get scammed?
Damn, okay.
Yeah.
I won't embarrass you that bad.
Alright. So if y'all didn't know, let me give y'all a rundown what happened at ATI. Why I didn't have my wheel lights on. What happened to my wheel lights, and so on. So basically, if you come down here, bro, my wheel lights are still on, okay? But they're not working. Why? Because they burnt. How? Because Luis didn't set them up right, okay? I'm blaming this on Luis. He literally wrapped the wiring on the damn exhaust. Like, he zip tied it to the exhaust, and it burnt.
I thought you ran it through inside the exhaust.
Oh yeah, he ran it through the headers, through the motor, and straight out the exhaust, supposedly to hide it. And yeah, I don't know why it has black. let's just say
he's not allowed in the state of Georgia.
let's just say whenever you drink, you can't drive.
Yeah, basically.
Because you'll end up in jail the next day.
We will have a GoFundMe under the description.
We will have a GoFundMe, but that's for my billets, not for him.
It will say.
What happened?
It's closed.
Why they closed, bro?
Dude.
Let's go to Rock Hill.
No, I'm not going to Rock Hill. I'm selling my truck. I'm giving away my TikTok account, so for the first like that likes it gets the TikTok account, and if you don't, then I'm sorry, bro. Hey, bro, I sound like I'm dragging something. No cap.
Whoa! What are you doing? No shit's moving.
Why your truck moving, bro?
Because he's pressing this fucking wheel against it. Chill, dude.
I'm hosting a meet and greet here in York, South Carolina. We're hosting a meet down here in York, South Carolina. We're having a fair. What's today? May 26th, May 27th, May 28th. So if y'all want to come down, you know, say what's up. We're gonna be saying, we're gonna be selling tacos. We're gonna be throwing ass. But that's gonna wrap today's video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. This is just, you know what I'm saying, you know, what the fuck I do every day in my life. I really don't do shit. I'm not gonna put some billets on it. You know, like most YouTubers, like, oh shit, we got some billets. Nah, bro, this is real day life. We're poor. We're in York, South Carolina. If y'all don't know where that is, we're poor as fuck. Okay. But yeah, stay tuned for more of these little vlogs. I really don't got nothing else to say other than, you know, get your meat wet. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Follow the page on Instagram. We're gonna be dropping some merch. Other than that, bro, we'll catch you on the last one.